He's going for a swim. Oh God, is he okay? He wants to stick. He wants to stick. He's not gonna get it. Oh wait, never mind, he will. Last time me and Jace were here, we caught a bunch of fish here.
You did?
Well, small ones.
Oh.
Like guppy fish. Chief. Drop it. Good boy. Really? Chief. Chief. Chief, you want the stick? Okay, fine. He's gonna ignore me. Chief. What are you eating, Chief? Dad, what is he eating? Chief.
Wait, ready? Go. Here. Ready? Chief, yeah. Yeah. Ready?
Chief.
Get it, boy. Few sprinkles of rain. Chief's already wet.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, boy.
Come here, Chief.
Good boy. Come on, mate.
So cute.
Good boy. Bring your stick up here. Or you gotta bring it up here.
This is
Shake
totally
it out
right.
of the water. Good boy.
Oh, Dad, we better get him on a leash, because last time we were here, a man with another dog came to us, and she started to attack the dog, and yeah.
In a bad way.
No, not really attack, but started barking, and then the other dog retaliated, and it became a fight. And the man was like, he was swearing at us, telling him to get our dog.
Who were you here with?
It was just me and Jace.
Oh.
And then, so what happened was, Chief, I don't know why, he ran that way. And I didn't really understand why. And then I heard another dog, and then they both started barking at each other.
Yeah.
And it started getting really aggressive,
Yeah.
and then it became a fight. And then I went there, and Chief was attacking another dog, or that dog was attacking Chief. But whilst the man with his dog was just standing there, swearing at us, telling us to get our dog, when he wasn't pulling him away from Chief.
Yeah. Not yours.
No.
Come here.